So here we go. We got the sticker board all put together. It's just a piece of 1/4 inch Luan, and I cut it square. It's a scrap that I picked up out of a dumpster at the job, and it was just happened to be 20 inches wide, so I made a square tile 20 inches by 20 inches, and I got a hole drilled up at the top here, and I got a screw in the wall already to hang him up. So here's everybody that sent a sticker in so far. Expeditionary Jonny, Miss Donna at Dream Creations and Adventures, and Big Vic's Workshop. So I appreciate you guys sending me channel stickers, and I appreciate the nice notes that you guys sent. Miss Donna also sent a couple things, just little bits and pieces of memorabilia. I really appreciate it. I appreciate you thinking about me. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing hung up on the wall and get my sticker wall started. I'm so excited. Maybe a little presumptuous, but I figured as these things fill up, I'll cut a different one out, probably do different shapes, different layouts. But yeah, I'm really excited. I can't wait to network with some other YouTube creators and start collecting channel stickers. So here we go. Let's get this guy hung up.